This video is all about using Panorama's Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, tool to fix untagged PDFs within Canvas. Today we're going to talk about your untagged PDFs and how they're scoring within Panorama. You'll notice that untagged PDFs will also come with a little man in a pentagon shape here. If you click on that little man in the pentagon shape, you'll see here that this document is in an article. If you have an article, it is better to link the article directly to our reading database. However, if you are unable to link it or you are looking to tag the PDF due to other unforeseen circumstances, here is how you're going to tag your PDF. Go ahead and go to Alternative Formats here in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Once you click on Alternative Formats, you're going to go to OCR Formats. You're going to go ahead and click Generate OCR Overlaid PDF and OCR Reconstructed PDF. What these OCR formats are doing is they are tagging the PDF or they are reconstructing the PDF with tags. It'll take a moment for it to process within Panorama. Once it's processed, you'll see this View, Download, and Reprocess. Go ahead and view it, and you'll see in the view, you'll see that it's a document. It looks very similar to the previous one, but this one has tags. It's been tagged by the OCR overlaid. If we go back here to the OCR reconstructed PDF, we can go click on View. And you see it's been tagged as well, but you can see all the red is gone, and it's just been reconstructed basically with tags to help a screen reader screen through the document. Now we're going to go ahead and go back and go to View Accessibility Report. So once you have those two OCR formats, you're going to go ahead and look at one of them and choose which one you want to replace this document with in Panorama directly. You don't have to download those OCR formats to replace it in Panorama. All you need to do is go to the three dots here where it says More Actions, and then click down to Replace with Alternative Format. Whether you like the overlaid tagged PDF or the reconstructed tagged PDF, you'll choose which one you'd like. I'm going to choose a reconstructed tagged PDF and replace it within Panorama directly. This will take a moment. Once it's replaced, you'll see here that it became a 64%. So it went from a 0% to 64%. And now we have 555 issues, but you can see here that some of them are just font size, and it's just a really small font size, especially for these figures within the document. These are things that cannot be fixed within Panorama. Alternative descriptions can be fixed within Panorama, and you can check out the Panorama Fixes video for that.